So, what are your political views?
On what?
Politics.
Who the hell cares?
Do you like Justin Bieber?
No.
Is he going to be your next victim?
Yes.
How are you going to kill him?
I'm going to make him listen to his own shitty music.
How quick should that kill him?
What, an hour?
That's it?
I want to make him suffer.
Yeah, good point. So every once in a while you're going to switch him over to Taylor Swift song to give him a break?
No.
So just continuous baby, that's it?
Yep.
Nice. Are you planning to air this event? Because I would like to see it.
I will try to.
On what channel? What?
My YouTube channel.
YouTube? Awesome. Sounds good. Sir, see that water over there?
Yeah.
All the way over there?
Yeah.
Dare to go jump in it. And you have it on video, so it's kind of hard to decline this one.
I don't know.
I'm in full out belly flop.
Belly flop?
Right into that nasty green water.
I would do it in a lake.
It's on video, so remember that.
Okay. What else are you gonna ask me?
Well, why exactly do you think I have followed you so much to the point where I'm actually sitting at a table with you?
I don't know, but I came here by myself and I didn't know that some random kid was gonna come up to me with a fucking music come after me 100 questions.
Well, no child labor laws. I'm still technically classified as a child. I kind of can't work without getting paid, and since I'm videotaping you, and you look like a man who's usually videotaped,
Why do you assume that?
Well, you actually kind of look familiar from one of the movies I've seen, but won you. Anyways, like I was saying, technically I'm a child. I kind of have to get paid for being your cameraman. So, would you be pissed if I charged you $60 an hour?
Can I put in a trap?
No. Well, will I survive?
Possibly.
Will he survive?
No.
He's listening to some pretty crappy music.
Sounds like that sounds horrible. I would put him in a dick trap.
Sounds like Footloose there.
Yeah, Footloose sucks ass. Anyway, I'll put that dick in a dick trap.
That's what she said.
The only way to the only way to survive is to tear off your dick and your testicles.
And the trap that I'm going to be in, if I do agree, what's the catch?
The catch is that we have to listen to Justin Bieber.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna be your cameraman. That's a little too cruel for me.
Well, do you like Nirvana?
Yeah.
Well, that's entertaining, that cut the music. How about NSYNC?
NSYNC sucks. Well, NSYNC sucks.
Oh, I don't know then.
Dubstep?
I hate dubstep.
You hate dubstep. You hate dubstep. See that guy? That's the guy with the crappy music. That's the guy with the music. Right there. Okay.
I'm gonna play a game with you. Okay, test subjects. Comment, rate, subscribe.
What?
comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to know what's behind the mask, I have to figure it out. You know.